Are you guys excited for Thanksgiving? So the group chats or the family chats have already started. Everybody wants to know what everybody's bringing. Does your family do that too? Like start group chats to find out when, where, what are you bringing? Who's all coming? Yes, they have started. Hey Chompers, good morning and welcome back to another video. Welcome to Chomp Town, home of the Chomp Queen. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. So today we're eating breakfast. Let me move this out the way. This is cran grape juice. I'm gonna start off the day right. Let me show you what we have here. Sausage, bacon, Belgian waffles, raisin toast, scrambled eggs. Then we have a huge bowl of cheesy grits. Oh my lord. And then I have a small plate of grapes right here. I'm gonna try to eat this quickly because my kids are up and I don't want any distractions while I'm eating. They already ate, so now it's my turn. I forgot the syrup and the jelly. I'll be right back. Alright, I got jelly, syrup, fork, and a knife. I'm so excited. I can't even remember all this stuff. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Lord, I thank you for this food that you set before me. I ask that you bless it and let it be of nurture to my body and precious name I pray. And I pray that everyone watches has a wonderful, glorious day. Amen. All right, let's eat. Ooh, nothing like some good cheesy grits. That's good. All right. Let's get to eating. I think I'm gonna go for this bacon. All right, jelly. So, did you eat breakfast today? I hope you did. Breakfast, they say, is the most important meal of the day. Helps you get your day started. So, I hope you had your breakfast, and if you did, what'd you eat? Raisin toast is the best. Ooh, I want every corner covered. Woo! That's good. Alright, let's get the other one. They really did it with the cinnamon on the bottom. I don't like too much jelly. Might be a bit too much. Alright, let's eat. Those are good. Some fresh eggs. So y'all, I was cooking my breakfast this morning to open the pack of bacon and started cooking it, and then the kids wanted some bacon, so I made them some bacon, and then it got down to like the last like 4 pieces, and I was like, let me just go ahead and cook them. Because somebody's gonna be mad if they go to the pack and there's only like 2 to 4 pieces of bacon left. We can't do nothing with that. So I cooked the whole pack of bacon today. And no worries, so good. It ain't gonna go to waste. These are those new Eggo Belgian waffles, so good. They have plain like buttermilk, and then they have cinnamon sugar, I think it's called, or brown cinnamon. These are so good. I forgot my butter, but I'm not about to get up now. Delicious. Yes, you are. So y'all, my neighbor, oh my gosh, she has this rooster that just cock-a-doodle-doos all hours of the morning, midday, sometimes at night. I'd be like, oh my gosh. But I bet they have the best eggs over there. And then bacon. That is fried to perfection. You hear that? So good. So crunchy and so fluffy inside. Like the inside of these things, so soft. So soft. These waffles, oh my gosh. If you haven't tried them and you like waffles, try these things. They're so fluffy inside, like the middle is so fluffy, but the outside is so crunchy. Good. Bacon. Somebody commented, said, how can you eat all that? You're gonna be 50 pounds. You're gonna gain 50 pounds. Like, I've been eating like this my whole life. And I've been the same weight. My whole life. Somebody else asked me a bunch of questions. It was actually Tashell in 3. She had a list of questions. I don't have my phone with me right now, but I'm gonna try to remember what they were. So the questions were, is mukbanging expensive? That was one of the questions. The other question was, how does your family feel about you doing this? Another question was, do you gain any weight, or have you gained any weight? And I think she had 4 questions, but I think that's all I remember right now. So the first question, is it expensive? Yeah. But here's the thing, like, I was either gonna buy something or cook something anyway because I have to eat. So I mean, it's money that I would have spent anyway. That's how I look at it. It's money that I would have spent anyway. Plus YouTube pays me. So it's kind of like hand in hand. How does my family feel about it? Some people get it, some people don't. I mean, to each their own. My mom, she's like, why do you have to eat so much food? Why do you have to take such big bites? Aren't you afraid you're gonna get fat? No. No. I feel fine. And like seriously, if I was at a buffet, I would eat this much food. If I was to cook on a daily basis, like breakfast, I was to cook breakfast regularly, I would eat this. If I had a grandmother who cooked large meals, like my family's from up north, so we don't have any family down south, but if my grandma lived down south, she would cook these meals every morning. Trust me. So this is how I eat. I love food. I love food so much. What was the last question? Oh, have I gained any weight? No. It's so crazy. Like, I've been trying to gain weight my whole life. I stepped on the scale. The only time I was my heaviest was when I was pregnant, and I was like 160 pounds. I stepped on the scale the other day, 122 pounds. I've been 122 pounds for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, besides being pregnant. I don't know what it is. Like, I can eat and eat and eat. I get bloated. Like, my stomach will look big, but after a couple hours it'll go down. And those are just a few of the questions that I get asked. Some good eggs. How do you eat your grits? We have a half and half split decision in our house. So my husband and the kids, well, half the kids, love their grits with cheese and salt and pepper. I like mine with cheese and sugar. I know. I know. I don't know where it started or why I eat it with sugar, but that's the only way I can eat it. I've been eating like that my whole life. Never had it with salt. Well, actually I did have it with salt and I didn't like it. It just didn't taste. It just tastes like saltiness. This tastes like a cereal type of, like a hot cereal. Most cereals are sweet. So that's what that tastes like to me. So good. Got food everywhere. Are you guys excited for Thanksgiving? So the group chats or the family chats have already started. Everybody wants to know what everybody's bringing. Does your family do that too? Like start group chats to find out when, where, what are you bringing? Who's all coming? Yes, they have started. I told them that I would bring the sweet potatoes and sweet potato pie, a couple sweet potato pies. Because, yes, I throws down with the sweet potatoes and sweet potato pies. So, that's what I'm bringing. And I'm probably going to still cook dinner at home. Oh, we're going to Baltimore for Thanksgiving. Yes, we're going to be with the fam this year. Because we've been home for like the past, maybe 3 years. I think since we've been down here, we haven't gone up for Thanksgiving. I think last year we went for Christmas. But we didn't go for Thanksgiving. I usually could cook my own food and do the thing right here at home. But this year, excuse me, babe took off, so I took off. And we're going home. I'm so excited. So we took off for a week. So there's so many foods that I want to try. I had so many subscribers from Baltimore that just been like telling me what kind of foods. They have a Baltimore sushi roll with blue crab meat, and I don't even know what else is in it. All I know is it got blue crab in it. So I'm excited to try that. Apparently it's only sold there. So yeah, I want to try that. And something called a dynamite roll. I want to try that. And then of course we gotta do the seafood. I think I'm gonna go up there and get some blue crab if we can find some, because you know the season is coming to an end. I'm pretty sure they have some now. They always got some crabs up there. But so all that to say, I am excited about Thanksgiving. All that food. Ham, turkey, sweet potatoes, collard greens, string beans. Oh my gosh. Mashed potatoes and gravy. Turkey and gravy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I can't wait. What's something unusual that you all have at your Thanksgiving dinner that most people don't, or is not traditional? I'm trying to think if we do. I know sometimes people bring stuff that we haven't had before, but let me think. What's something that... Oh, one year we did a fried turkey. I think my mom, she had bought a fried turkey. What else do we have? I don't think we have anything unusual. I can't think right now, but I know it was something. Anyway, I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to that for sure. And you know, when you go visiting, like when you go, you gotta go to everybody's house. So we got my husband's side of the family to visit and my side of the family to visit. Oh my gosh, we coming back with plates. I might not even have to cook this year. We might be all Thanksgiving food out. What y'all do with the turkey afterwards? You make turkey soup, turkey sandwiches. Man. Double eggs. Man, those are good. I'm getting kind of full, but I'm gonna eat that bacon. Excuse me. I'm gonna try to get this video up this morning. It's 9:30 right now, so hopefully I can have it up before noon. So you guys, I don't know, you might be able to enjoy breakfast with me. If not today, at least tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Y'all, our sister is full. I'm gonna eat this last few grapes and then I'm gonna be out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments, let me know you were here. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you.